just thought I'd follow up a bit. So we know that tracer's broke, so I've just put this patch wire in. I've just jammed it in between the pins there, and now we've got this. Now notice that red is now much brighter, so that tells us something else. Notice now all the stripes are normal. So let's power cycle it and see what happens. See what we get. And might not work, but let's see what does happen. Okay. Oh look, there we go. How much RAM did it find now? Oh, there we go. So that one broken line, and maybe this socket being iffy. In fact, I probably, yeah, see, there we go. I've just touched that chip, and as you can see, yeah, you can see that that's totally, oh, don't even know what that's done. That's completely messed the machine up. So that socket is bad as well. So I mean, I normally don't use sockets on these chips. I normally just solder them straight back in, but you can see that we got the machine going. So let's just power cycle that again. Yeah, that's it. So there we go. You can see that the machine is working now. So we know that that broken connection that we found using the scope is the problem. And that little patch wire there is just temporarily fixed it. So I'm going to give you this back. Obviously you can do the soldering now and find out, or you're going to have to get a 8375 Agnes to play with, but that should give you, hopefully that should help you fix it. And I've used a digital scope here, and what did I have set? I had set let's see, I had 2 volts per division set. I'm using a 10 times probe, and I just had, there we go, about 2, let's say 1 millisecond per division. Let's have a look at that. Just have a look at that signal that's broken. There you go. You can, I mean, and you can adjust the time base to see what exactly is going on there. And you can do other things, like for example, if you suspected the clock was bad, well, we know I know that this component here, the clock should be on that pin. Let me just see if I can stick my probe in there. This is probably going to show me up now on camera. No, can't get me bugger, can't get me probe in there. Ah well. But if I wanted to see that clock signal, you know, I could put the scope on there, and the digital scope will even tell me what frequency it is, you know, but it just gives you the insight. It's like having a voltmeter for the first time, and suddenly you can see what voltages things are. And a scope just gives you a bigger insight into what's going on the board. And as you can see, that made finding that problem super easy. It's like literally took me a couple of seconds to find it, and I only done it on the video, so I didn't cheat. I didn't do it before and then make a video. I did it on the video. So there we go.